everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So if you're an owner of an agency or you manage a very large team, then this video is definitely for you. You know the importance of answering customers' inquiries on time because nowadays customers don't want to wait for long hours for the inquiries or issues to be resolved. Here is where WhatsApp communication plays a very important role. You receive an inquiry by the customer on WhatsApp and instantly your team member is going to send them a reply. Now imagine a situation. You receive multiple inquiries every single day. Now replying to all of them on time can be very time consuming, stressful, as well as you can miss out multiple opportunities with your customers as well. That can lose sales. Now over here there is where Pabbly Chatflow comes in. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one platform that helps us to manage WhatsApp conversations as well as send WhatsApp messages. In Pabbly Chatflow, you can create chatbots, AI assistant, manage your team members as well as assign chats to your team members and control your account. So as now I have given you the overview of what Pabbly Chatflow is, I am going to answer some of the questions that agencies usually have one by one. So this is the first question. Is Pabbly Chatflow suitable for agencies? Yes. Pabbly Chatflow is very suitable for agencies and I will tell you that with a very small example. I am a small agency owner in which I handle multiple clients' WhatsApp messages. Over here they have different numbers and I have 3 clients. One is a real estate agency owner, other one is a skincare brand business owner and the last one is a fashion apparel store business owner. 3 very different businesses. I have assigned team members for every single WhatsApp conversation for the 3 of my clients. Now over here I have to log into the WhatsApp account and log out because they have different WhatsApp numbers. This is a very time consuming task. Here is where Pabbly Chatflow plays an important role in which under one roof you can add all your WhatsApp numbers. Yes, and even that you can assign chats to the correct team members without any manual efforts. So this is how Pabbly Chatflow is beneficial for agencies. Let us move on to our next question. Can you resell Pabbly Chatflow to clients? No, you cannot resell your Pabbly Chatflow account or even white label your Pabbly Chatflow account to your clients. Instead of that, what you can do is you can add their WhatsApp numbers in your Pabbly Chatflow and then they can create their own WhatsApp chatbots, automation setup and even assign their chats to multiple team members. So my next question is, can team members view all chats in Pabbly Chatflow? By default, team members can see all the chats that they are assigned in inbox. Over here, Pabbly Chatflow can highlight all the chats that the team members is specifically assigned to. That makes the focus of the team member clear of what chats they are going to focus on. With that, an admin can change the settings using which team members can only see the assigned chats that they have in inbox. So now the next question is, what is the team queue in Pabbly Chatflow? Team queue is a dedicated space in which all the team members or agencies can see the chats that are assigned to them. Over here in the team queue, you can also see the statuses of all the chats, whether it's open, on hold or responded to. So if you want to see the overview of team queue, I will show it to you on my screen right now.
Welcome to my screen. So first of all, we need to browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow on a tab. For that, browse www.pabbly.com/chatflow. After browsing the website, Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. On the landing page, you will find 2 options. That is, sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user, that means you already have a Pabbly account, you can directly sign into your account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and you will get 100 free tasks to get started using Pabbly Chatflow. I am already an existing user, so I'm going to directly sign into my Pabbly Chatflow account. Then you're going to find the All Pabbly section right over here, in which you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides. As we want to use Pabbly Chatflow, for that I'm going to click on this Access Now button right over here. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. After coming to the dashboard, now to add your client's number, you can add directly from this Add WhatsApp Number section right here. in which you will find two methods, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to learn how you can set up your Pabbly Chatflow account and your WhatsApp numbers, you can find the tutorials in the description box below, okay, for both of these methods. After setting up our Pabbly Chatflow account, in Pabbly Chatflow, you will find multiple features as well. That is inbox contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, under which we have multiple options, okay? If you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out the video in the description box below. Now we have to learn about what is team queues section of Pabbly Chatflow. For that, on the left side, go to the team queues section right over here. Then the team queues page of my Pabbly Chatflow account is going to appear in front of you, in which I have two members on my team. These are my two members right here. These are the unassigned chats. This is my first member and this is my second member. If I'm going to open one of the member, you can see the status of their conversation. The conversation is open right over here and you can see multiple other statuses like AI assistant, intervened, on hold, replied, pending, resolved, closed. You can find all these sections right over here, and in the sections you can search for chats directly right over here as well, okay? If you want to create more team members in your Pabbly Chatflow account, what you can do is simply from the left side go to settings option and you can find this option that is team members right over here. After coming to team members, in order to add a new team member, you have to click on this add team member button. We have to write the email address of the team member that we are adding. And remember, the person we are adding should have a valid Pabbly account already. Okay, you can see it says with a valid Pabbly account. So person should have the valid Pabbly account. So over here, I'm going to write the email address of my team member. So this is the email address of my valid team member right over here, okay? And you can also manage the access of what this team member will have. They will have a full account access or read-only access. You can select the permissions according to your requirement. I want to give this team member the full account access, so I'm going to select that and add the team member directly from here. As I've done that, it says team member added successfully. So if I'm going to go down, you can see these are the team members to whom I've shared my Pabbly Chatflow account. Okay, I have 3 team members now. So what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to show you how we can assign these chats to these team members right here. For that, simply you need to open the inbox section from here, okay? So these are my 2 conversations with my customer. If I'm going to open this conversation right over here, on the left side, you're going to find this general details. I'm going to click on it and you can see over here it says team member. So from here, we can directly assign our chat to the team member. I want to assign it now to this team member. So I'm going to select it. As I'm the admin of this account, I can change the team member. And as I've done that, if I'm going to open my team queues section now, you can see a new team member has been assigned the new chat right here. The old team member is now no more there, okay? So in this manner, as an admin, you can manage the team members as well. So this is how you can assign chats to your team members in your Pabbly Chatflow account, and even you can unassign chats from your team member to a different team member as well as you're an admin. So this was the admin point of view, how you can assign chats, unassign and give the chats to somebody else, and how the team queues section looks according to admin's point of view. Now I'm going to show you the side of team members point of view. For that, I'm going to log into my team member account. So this is my team members account right here. My team member is a valid Pabbly user, okay? So now to access the team member access, for that from the left side go to settings and in team members go to that option right here. If I'm going to scroll down, you can see this is the shared team member access. I'm going to click on this access now button to access this team member account right here. So now this is the team members point of view right here. You can see it says Angel Anthony logged in. Okay, so this is how the team members point of view is visible. We cannot add any WhatsApp numbers from here because that is what admins can only do. Okay. So now if I'm going to open my team queue section right over here, in my team queue section, you can find only my chat, not other team members chat right over here. If I'm going to open my chat, this is the chat that has been assigned to me by my admin, okay? And in my inbox section, if I'm going to open it, so this is the inbox section according to the team members point of view, in which you can see all the chats. But if I'm going to open this first chat right over here, this chat that I have is not assigned to me, it is assigned to a different team member. And you can see over here, as I received the customer's message, it says intervene right over here. And I have to intervene this conversation right over here if I want to assist further with the conversation. And this is another chat right over here, and this chat is assigned to me, you can see right here. So if a customer is going to send me a message, so you can see right over here, this customer has sent me a message. So this chat is assigned to me. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to send a reply towards this chat right over here, towards this customer, okay? And automatically my message is going to be forwarded towards the customer, and then I can handle this inquiry from here. And as other chats are assigned to other team members, I cannot reply to this chat. But if I have the access given by the admin, then definitely as a team member, I can intervene and answer to other chats as well. Okay. So in my inbox section as a team member, I can find all the chats, but the chats that are assigned to me, I can only find it in my team queues section right over here. So this was the entire demonstration how team queues works for admin point of view as well as according to team members point of view.
So my next question is, can team members assign chats? Yes, team members can assign chats to themselves, but only through inbox, not on team queues. This helps us to keep ensure that all the chats are been assigned intentionally to the correct team member. With that also no mistakes are been done. So my next question is, can team members reply to chats assigned to others in Pabbly Chatflow or not? Team members can only reply to the chats that they are assigned with. They cannot reply to other team members' chats. But if you have given them the access while setting up their account, they can definitely reply to other conversations as well. If you want to see the demonstration of how this works, I will take you to my screen.
Now I'm going to demonstrate to you that how team members can message to other team members chats assigned as well, okay? So this is one of the customer's message, and this chat is not assigned to me. As you can see, my name is Angel team member, and this chat is assigned to another team member right here, okay? So now how can I reply towards this message? You can only as a team member reply to other team members' message if you have the access given by the admin. If you do not have the full access while the admin created your account, you cannot reply to other team members' message. But I have the access to reply to other team members' account. For that, simply you need to intervene this conversation right over here, and then you can reply towards this customer with a message, okay? So in this manner, you can reply to other team members' messages as well if you have the access given by the admin to you.
So this is how Pabbly Chatflow simplifies your WhatsApp communications for your agencies and team. If you're still struggling to manage your WhatsApp communication in your business, then start using Pabbly Chatflow right away. We provide you 100 free credit points to start right now as you're going to sign up in Pabbly Chatflow. So go ahead, sign up in Pabbly Chatflow and make your WhatsApp conversations effortless. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.